What's up?
Dank fans.
Today is going to be a bit of a different video today because we are actually going to be doing a review of a operating system you've probably never seen before. The operating system is called Raspbian. It is basically based on a operating system called Linux, and it is the operating system for the Raspberry Pi. So without further ado, let's boot it up and show you the features. Okay, first things first, let's see if we can boot it up. Oh, by the way, the version of Raspbian we are using is version 4.1 Jesse, which is basically in Debian version 8. I'm not sure if it's version 4.1 or not, but it probably is. It says in the manual, so yeah. And actually the startup was actually pretty fast. And I haven't got my mouse connected, so yeah. Alright, so basically this operating system is basically, as I said, based on the Linux, and this is what it looks like. It has like a taskbar that's kind of similar to the macOS itself. I mean, here we've got like a web browser, file operator, we've got terminal, we've got some mathematics software and coding software. The internet browser is actually Chromium, which is basically based on an older version of Chrome. So as we open up like a start menu, we've got the programming, these are all like the programming settings you can do. We've got BlueJ Java, Greenies Program Editor, Greenfoot Java, Mathematica, Node-RED, Python 2 and 3, Scratch, SenseHat, Sonic Pi and Wolfram. For the Office, we haven't got Microsoft Office, but instead we've got something called LibreOffice, which is basically based on Access, Calc, which is basically based on Excel, Draw, which is basically based on Visio, Impress, which is based on PowerPoint, Math, which is based pretty much on nothing, and Writer, which is based on Word. The internet is basically Chromium web browser, and we got some other links as well from the Raspberry Pi. The games, luckily for you, fellow gamer, we've got Minecraft Pi and some other games which are written in Python. And as we open this up, we've got a bunch of good ones here. Like we got some Tetris-like games, we got Snake-like games, we got Reverse C4 in a row, that kind of stuff. We've also got some accessories like the archiver, calculator, file manager, image viewer, PDF viewer, SD card copier, task manager, terminal, and text editor, as well as other help. The Raspbian is actually built on the Debian reference. I'm not sure what that is. I'm just going to quickly open that up. Which is it's basically a web browser tab. So. The preferences are basically, these are other settings stuff. The run is basically there, and we've got the shutdown options. So yeah, and we've got the waste bucket. First things first, I'm going to open up the internet, which is basically Chromium. It's basically looking like an older version of Chrome. The original preloaded software was actually DuckDuckGo, but I changed it to Google, because nobody really uses DuckDuckGo, and this is just a normal search example. It's basically the same thing, completely same thing as it going to my YouTube page as of the 3rd of May 2018. And it's probably, and I just realised it's not connected to the internet. Oh yes, we got 30 subs, thank you. Right. Another thing I just wanted to go through, because I was kind of like interested, is called LibreOffice Impress, which is basically Microsoft PowerPoint, but you don't have to pay it, so it's a pretty quick startup, just like PowerPoint. I don't think there's any templates at all. I don't really know how to use this, but it's very similar to PowerPoint anyways, by the looks of it. Okay, let me see if we can do some stuff. Okay, right, okay, so we're gonna This is a test PowerPoint ripoff for I can't spell from China, and yeah, you've got quite some good stuff. You've got all these, got quite a couple of fonts, not as much as Microsoft does, but who cares? We've actually got some previews. We've actually got some preloaded slides in here, which is good. Yes, I'm gonna change it now to DankHyphen. Okay, right, how do I add slide? Okay, that's the next question. How do I add another slide? Oh. Okay, and yeah, can't go back. Yeah, so I'm just gonna type some very random stuff here. Yeah. Okay, and okay, don't want that. I just needed to know what. Oh, here we go. New slide. Right. Right, styles and formatting. Okay, no, it's not that. Okay, so see some transition. What's the transition? Okay. Oop, and there's some transition there, so we'll do that again. And yeah, so that's like a little test. Okay, right, so that's closed. And finally, we're just gonna very, very quickly give a demonstration of Minecraft Pi Edition, and I'm probably gonna do a second part on this. So this is gonna be part 1 for now. And I've actually built myself a house. It's got no roof, however. So yeah. And there's pretty much easy escaping. I can actually walk across my wall. Yeah, it's a pretty long way down. Yeah, it's not really a full version of Minecraft. It's like an alpha edition of Minecraft Pi. I think I need like a better version of Minecraft Pi, to be honest. I mean, this is basically Minecraft. And yeah. But the Raspbian is basically on the Raspberry Pi, which is seen in its premium case. We'll just zoom in a little bit just to see what the Raspberry Pi is. It's available in between £30 and £40, and it's a very cheap computer. And I will see you in the next video because I've pretty much run out of ideas to do now. But anyways, hopefully this is a good video and shows you how good the Raspberry Pi operating system is. Have fun, stay safe from the coronavirus, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.